The squat is much more than just a leg exercise. It is a fundamental movement that brings a range of benefits to your body and overall health. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, where we explore the best ways to a healthier and more active life. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't waste time and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content. Today, we will explore the top 10 reasons why you should consider including squats in your exercise routine. The squat is one of the most effective exercises for strengthening multiple muscle groups at once. It intensely works the quadriceps, which are the muscles at the front of the thigh, essential for movements like climbing stairs and getting up from a chair. Additionally, it also activates the glutes, muscles essential for stability and power when walking, running, and climbing inclines. The hamstrings, located at the back of the thigh, are also engaged, helping to stabilize the hip and support the knees. Besides these major groups, the squat works a range of stabilizer muscles around the hip, knee, and ankle joints, contributing to improved stability and injury prevention. Contrary to the myth that squatting harms the knees, when done correctly, it strengthens the muscles around the knee joints, providing greater stability and protection against injuries. By strengthening the quadriceps, hamstrings, and stabilizer muscles, squatting helps improve knee biomechanics, reducing the risk of misalignment and overload. This is especially important for athletes and people who regularly engage in physical activities. Compound movements like squats require high energy expenditure, which helps increase calorie burn during exercise. Additionally, the increase in lean muscle mass resulting from squats contributes to a higher basal metabolic rate, favoring the maintenance of a healthy weight. Squats also play a crucial role in improving the mobility and flexibility of the hip, knee, and ankle joints. Proper execution of this exercise not only facilitates daily movements, but can also prevent injuries related to muscle stiffness. Squats play a crucial role in improving body posture, helping to maintain a proper position that not only avoids back pain, but also optimizes the efficiency of daily and sports movements. When performed with progressive overload and combined with an adequate diet rich in proteins and essential nutrients, squats become a powerful ally in developing lean muscle mass. Squats not only strengthen muscles, but also play a crucial role in increasing the production of hormones essential for muscle development and overall body health. These hormones include testosterone and growth hormone, both fundamental for optimizing workout results and promoting better body composition. The ability to squat safely and efficiently is crucial for performing daily activities such as getting up from a chair, bending down to pick something up, or even practicing sports like weightlifting. Maintaining functionality and the ability to perform these tasks easily significantly improves the quality of life. When performed intensely, squats elevate heart rate, providing a stimulus similar to traditional aerobic exercises. This increase in heart rate not only strengthens the heart muscle, but also improves the efficiency of the cardiovascular system as a whole. This contributes to heart and blood vessel health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The squat is a versatile exercise that offers a variety of variations suitable for different fitness levels and personal goals. From beginners to advanced athletes, there is a squat option that can be adapted to each training need. Free squat. The free squat is the most basic and commonly practiced form. It involves positioning the bar behind the shoulders on the trapezius and performing the squat while maintaining proper posture. Front bar squat. In this variation, the bar is positioned at the front of the shoulders over the deltoid muscles. This places more emphasis on the muscles of the front part of the legs and the core, increasing the balance and stability challenge. Sumo squat. The sumo squat involves positioning the feet wider than shoulder width apart, with the toes pointing outward. This helps direct more work to the inner thigh muscles, adductors, and glutes. Barbell squat. This variation includes holding the bar in front of the body, directly over the shoulders. As we can see, the benefits of squatting are many and encompass both aesthetics and health. Don't waste time and start including this powerful exercise in your workouts today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and health information. Click the subscribe button and activate the bell to receive all our updates. Now it's your turn. Leave your comments below on how squats have made a difference in your exercise routine. See you next time and happy training!